Hello, and welcome to my channel. Those of you who are subscribers, welcome back. Those of you who are new, welcome. This is Mrs. DLC. I do content on lifestyle, including handbags. Love handbags. Today, let's talk. I purchased two Brooklyn 28s, the Bluebell and the Ruby. And let's hack these babies so they are all season bags. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So let's start with the Ruby. Beautiful 28. I did an unboxing on this bag. I was a little reluctant because I am a big bag girly, but I thought I would try this because I do need some smaller bags as well. So have these two hobo style bags, this one as well as the Bluebell that I'll show you. And depending on who you talk to, some may say that this bag is specifically for maybe the fall or the winter, not necessarily for the warmer months. So I am going to make style this bag using my hacks with accessories to show you how I would carry this bag in the summer months versus how we would carry it in the winter colder months. And I know some of you don't have seasons like we do on the East Coast, so just hang with me. If you don't have the seasons, you can still use the hack if you just want a different look for the bag as well. So let's get started. When I purchased this, I had accessories in mind, and I wanted to one just have some items that match. I love these essential wallets from Coach. I could not find the dark ruby, so I did go with this wine. I purchased this from a seller on Macari, and it's in really excellent condition. I carry this also with my Marlowe Empire bag, but I'm also able to carry it with this. For the I love something with a striking pop, but for this one, we are going to use the cherry. We're going to use the Coach cherry print. This is the Nolita 19, and I am going to put her in here. Show you how she fits in there. And we also have, let's see, the cherry hang tag. And I'm okay with mixed metals because this bag has the gold, but I'm good with the mixed metal. So I am going to hang this on the side here. Let's see how that looks. That cherry, you see how that color pops off? That chalk is just beautiful. I have this pouch, which is the cherry pouch here. And then I also have this bag as well, this little mini Rowan. And for the mini Rowan, let's see, I can do a couple of things. I can hang it from, there's a D-ring in the inside that I can hang it, which I don't really like that. I can also attach it here. And what I'm doing is the ring to the hang tag and just have a double there. And it doesn't always have to be hung. I can just carry it in the inside as well. So I have some options for the bag. So I was worried about fit, and I'm going to show you what this looks like with all of this. I'm trying to see if I would have anything else. I think that would be it. So we would have this. Let's see if I can show you. I'm going to tilt you for a second here so you can see what that looks like. And doesn't that look bright and summery with the cherries? You know, cherries are a summer fruit, and we can definitely carry our bag this way. I love my wallet standing up because I like to just grab it really quickly. So it does do that. If you wanted to add a little more pizzazz to it, you can also take this chain link here and just kind of wrap it around the bag, connect it that way, and we have a little gold chain wrapped around. This is just an Amazon chain that I have here, and she is super cute. I'll probably take this and do it that way. Okay, now we're going. Super cute. Loving, loving, loving her. Very, very simple. Very simple. So we're going to move. Let's say I wanted to move out of this and I wanted to do more of a darker look. I would keep this. Yeah, let's see if I have anything else in here. I think that's it. Just more of a muted look with my Louis Vuitton. And it has the accent cranberry here. You can put that instead of this wallet. I would then carry my, let's see, the pouch. I would carry my Louis Vuitton pochette there. I can also carry my Louis Vuitton agenda. I have a key pouch, and I always like to hang this on the outside here. Could do that. Let's see if it fits. Yep. Fits there. Okay, I can do that. And I have a little card wallet for my Louis Vuitton. And here we are. Now we have a still the gold chain. We have more of a fall winter look. Again, take a look in the inside. Let me turn this around so you can kind of see the products here. Oops. And you see we have, and look at all the room that we still have, even with these items here. So now we have more of the chocolate with the monogram print. So love that look. Look, there's so many looks you can do with this bag. I didn't do this one. How about the Coach? And look at this. How about a zebra print with this bag? And then we would take this hang tag and hang, oops, sorry guys, let's see. We can hang it this way. I love a nice luggage tag. I love the luggage tags on purses. And then we have a zebra print. Love, love, love that. That gives it a nice pop. All right, so that's all, Ruby. What do you think? What look do you like? That was 3 different looks. Tell me what you think. Number 1 was the cherry. Number 2 was the Louis Vuitton. And number 3 was the zebra. Now let's move on to Bluebell. Let's turn her around. Bluebell. So I do have accessories for the Bluebell. I have the essential wallet. Now I did buy this from Coach and it was on sale and it had a little, I don't know if you can see that little scarring there. I decided to keep it, but that does bother me. I mean, I don't know, I may call them about it. So we have that. And we have a little key wallet here. And I'm going to stick that in the little pocket we have here. I have a blue luggage tag here that I can hang. Give this some more blue. Still have your luggage tag here. I have a second white luggage tag for the Bluebell. I love this color. It is, this blue is, can definitely go from one season to the next. Accessories will help you. If you are one that feels like a particular color is for a season, you can definitely do that. I can use my Louis Vuitton Murakami. Here I have some little pouches that I purchased these from Amazon. I think they were probably, I don't know, maybe about $4 or $5, something like that, but they're really cute. And that is one look that we have here. And I have some additional accessories. Oh yeah, here we go. So if we didn't do the wallet, the Bluebell wallet, we can also do this wallet with the bag. So that's 2 different looks. And let me show you what that looks like here. That also gives me enough room for, it's my agenda I have here. I have the wallet. I have a pouch in there. Let's see, what else would we want to carry? If we wanted I have these little long pencil pouches. We can carry a pencil pouch in here. So this season can be more like the fall. I'm gonna turn this up. Fall, winter. About if we keep this wallet here and we look at more of the summer look, and we can use the Louis Vuitton. This is my agenda I have here. Use that. Also have a key pouch. Use that as well. You can do the wallet. That. And we can give it a little more. Well, we can do that on this side or this side, but here is a little chain that we've gotten from Amazon. That gives it a little bit more gold there. And this, so you know, it can either Essential or the Louis Vuitton, either one of them go really well with this bag, so we do have that. We have a kind of a neutral pencil pouch. Again, this is a really thin leather pencil pouch where I can put like my lippies, pencil, eyeline pencils, some ink pens, all those things that I normally carry in my pencil pouch. I can put it in here. Got this from Amazon. So that gives me a lighter look here. And let's see. I can run the blue back, and this is just a little pouch for some other items that we have. So now, looking at that, we have more of a light summer look for our Bluebell. So now, looking at this bag, I am not concerned at all about my Bluebell or my Ruby. As far as seasons are concerned, they hold the basic essentials. They do not hold everything that I normally would carry in my bigger bags, but what I can put in these bags are enough for me to carry if I'm just looking to, make a quick run. And they are beautiful. They are beautiful. They're nice and soft. They don't have the weight to them, so even if you're packing them with what you need, you still are going to have some room with these 28s. So I hope this helps you in deciding for colors. Don't get so hung up on colors unless it's something that you just don't like that particular color. But don't limit yourself because you're thinking that you may only be able to carry the bag in a certain season. These are all season bags. All you have to do is accessorize your bags so that you can carry them throughout seasons. And if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you want to carry cherries all through the year, carry cherries. It's yours. It's your bag. You can do whatever you want to. But if you're a stickler for, you like to see more muted colors in the colder months for those 4 seasons parts of the states, then you can do that. And just do whatever you want to. But I am saying, don't get so hung up on a color. If it's in your cart, check out. You'll be happy because the bag is beautiful. You're going to love it. The biggest decision I had was, one was the color and the other was the size. And I'm fine with this size. I love it. I love it. But I'm going to carry it. And when I carry it for maybe about a couple of weeks or so, I'll do another video and give you my thoughts on how it worked for me. How a small 28 worked for a big bag girl. All right. Looking through the hole here. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the content here. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there was a look that you like best when we went through the Bluebell or the Ruby. I would love to hear your feedback on this. All right. Have a great day. And I'm signing off. This is Mrs. DLC. Have a great day. Make it a great one.